Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Libras, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, guys. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, guys. Libras. If you want more clarity, Libras, you can watch the pick a card love reading, so that will follow this general energy, guys. So you can stay tuned for that. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies. We have 8 of cups in reverse, ace of cups and 10 of cups in reverse. So in your situation, guys, Libras, you are quite emotional today. You feel really overwhelmed thinking about something. Maybe you are expecting certain things in your situation today. Maybe a happy news or a change in your situation. But what you are seeing is not up to expectation, guys. Maybe the people around you or maybe your circumstance. It is not something you expected. So some kind of sadness, stress because of that in your situation, guys, Libras. So it may be a person, maybe you expected a happy connection with this person. Maybe you are expecting an answer from them. Maybe you propose to them or they propose to you and they want an answer from you or you want an answer from them. But you are unable to proceed further in this relationship because you do not trust this person or they do not trust you, and you both may not have a good understanding with each other. Maybe this relationship may not work, and that is the reason this connection is not moving further, guys. So some kind of obstructions you may see in this relationship, or it may be a situation in your career, guys. Maybe some things you expected that is not working for you, and it may meet with some delays or suspensions in your work, maybe some projects. But you need not worry, Libras. You are getting something new in place of this. So maybe your old love, the past, maybe the love you had is not working, and there is something new coming in place of that. Maybe another person is interested in you and they are coming towards you and they want to be in this connection with you, and they find you as an interesting person and this person seems nice, so maybe even you are interested. Maybe this past love was not working for you, guys. You need not worry, but something in place of that is coming towards you, and you are going to feel really happy, content, and you are going to celebrate something, guys. So it may be a great positive change coming in your situation, and maybe you are celebrating it with your friends or family today, guys, Libras. So it may be a situation in your relationship or a situation in your career situation, guys. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship first. So we have 10 of Pentacles. Looks like you are having a happy life today, guys. Happy day, maybe. Libras, things are going in a positive way. You have that emotional satisfaction, contentment, and joy. You are really happy, truly happy for the way things are going in your life today, guys. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It's Two of Swords. So in your career situation, guys, maybe you are making some important decisions today. Something you need to make truthfully. So whatever you like to do or whatever your aspirations are, you are making those decisions based on that, and it is an honest decision that you are making today, guys. And that may be the reason things will go smoothly in your work situation, because you are making that truthful choice today, guys, Libras. So that is the reading with these cards, guys, Libras. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Libras. For your love reading, guys, today we have two cards here. This is your first card and first crystal, your second card and second crystal. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first, guys. So that way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. We will see what is the card for those who chose this card, guys. It is Sacred Phoenix Heart. So with this card, guys, maybe in your situation today, you may have some confusion, something bothering you or worrying you. You have gone through a lot, endured a lot, made a lot of sacrifices, but there is uncertainty and confusion today, guys, in your situation, and you don't know which way to go. And maybe today you want answers, you are looking for answers, and this oracle card, it comes with a special guidance, guys, that whatever you are looking for, maybe answers for the troubles or some clarity in a situation, whatever it is, you are getting the answers. And the way of getting that is by letting go of your striving or opinions or your doubts, despair or fears, whatever you have. So you don't need any of it, and there is a guidance waiting for you, reaching you today, and you will see things with a better clarity, guys. And also with this card, guys, there is a special guidance for you all, that divine timing is working for you. So though you would have faced a lot, you would have sacrificed a lot, you would have faced a lot of trials in your life, but whatever it is, whatever the situation may be, guys, divine timing is working, and at the right time, right things will unfold for you. So at that right time, whatever you expect, the answers you are seeking will reach you, guys, and you need not worry. So you just have to wait for it with curiosity, and there is no need to fear or worry today, guys. So just be curious for the way things are going to unfold for you, and even the next step may be the final step towards the answers you are seeking today, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this card and this crystal, it says the children of Lyre. So with this card, guys, the energy is that you, all of us, guys, not only you, all of us, we are first of all, we are great souls. We have lived for a long time, and maybe this present life, this a small lifetime. This is just a part of that long life, long soul life we are having, guys, on this earth. So maybe this is the time we need to understand that in our situation, guys, we are evolving ourselves, we are growing emotionally, physically, mentally, and spiritually. So this is one of that journey, and whatever our life unfolds, or whatever journey is unfolding in our life, it is our soul's journey, guys. So we need to go through all that to move towards a greater evolution, a greater change in life. And maybe in your situation you are going through a lot of troubles, maybe stress, maybe. So no matter whatever it is, guys, your suffering and your pain is quickly coming to an end. And maybe for some of you, you have a lot of burdens or responsibilities. So all that is going to end, guys. And also you need to understand that if someone loves you truly, they love you for what you are, not for your form or appearance. So they love you for your true nature, for your true characteristics. For what to say, it will be a soul connection, guys, and it will not be something based on superficial things like beauty or appearance. So maybe today this is a time of assessment whether this person loves you truly. So maybe if they love you truly, it will be love based on what you are, not for what you appear to be. So appearance are not important, and you may have a deeper bonding with this person beyond your appearance. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for y'all. So thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.